I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by closing easy holes. Make sure your phone and apps are updated because patches fix message vulnerabilities. Once done, enable the built-in spam filter and allow auto-blocking of unknown senders to catch the majority. Next, report and block clear spam messages. You should never click links or reply. These first moves reduce volume and stop most automated campaigns quickly, while also creating data that services use to learn and filter future threats effectively. Now you build a stronger defense by creating targeted rules. Filter by keywords, sender patterns, or time of day to drop likely spam automatically. At the same time, enable carrier-level spam protection and turn on two-factor authentication for accounts tied to your number so attackers can't exploit accounts to send spam. If native controls aren't enough, add a reputable third-party message filter and sync its quarantine with your inbox. This layered approach reduces false negatives and keeps most finish by monitoring quarantine messages and whitelisting trusted senders so valid texts don't get lost. Make sure to unsubscribe only from verified senders. If a message looks suspicious, block and report instead of replying. Maintain good habits. Limit where you share your number and periodically review app permissions. If spam continues despite filters, contact your carrier to escalate filtering or request a network block. As a last resort, change your number or check for account compromise. This single troubleshooting step often stops persistent campaigns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.